Hey Nayab, Kamar, George Kindler over at the Realty Shop. I'm at 2 Woods Mill Road. I'm going to take you through. Looks like, a nice new roof, nice level lot. A little bit of a hill on the sides and the back, but overall, certainly, in terms of the lot, those are two things that you really can't change. The floor plan and the lot itself, very difficult to change. And overall, there's lots of room, lots of level room, I should say, to play and entertain. So I'm going to bring you back around front, and then we'll go ahead and tour. And I will say, I think this house is going to surprise you. It's a little dated, but in terms of floor plan, it has just a great floor plan. Nice quiet neighborhood. Kids out playing. Right. So here's the foyer. To my left is the formal living room, and to my right is the formal dining room. I'm going to work my way around through the formal dining room and then through the kitchen, making sure I don't smack my head on everything. So here's the kitchen. Again, everything is a little dated, but overall the floor plan, it has a very nice floor plan. Living room, nice three seasons room. I don't know if you can see that. I'll take you out there in a second. So here's our family room, the entertaining room. Here's the hall bath. Again, a little dated. Not too often that you see a mirror on the shower. Now, as I go down the hall, to my right is the master. Bring you through the master. Floor-to-ceiling windows. They're older. They'll need to be replaced. Again, bathroom is dated, but this is the master. It's a good-sized master. Nice walk-in closet. Drawback is that there's only one closet. My personal preference, I'd rather have two smaller closets than one large walk-in. So here we are in the second bedroom. Again, good-sized bedroom. Lots of space. And don't forget, you can always pause, kind of look around. Good sized closet here. I'll turn this light on. Right. Moving into the third bedroom. No light, in the period it was built. Very common not to have overhead lights. All right, so I'm walking into the formal living room. Nice, bright, and it's a light shade of pink. We'll go ahead down to the basement. The benefits of a ranch, that you get the full imprint for the basement. Nice and dry. I will say though that systems are older. Your stack over here to your right, or to my right, is older. Looks like it might be original. Electrical panel was updated in 2005. Again, good size. I don't have the key to unlock this, but walk out, basement. So potentially this could be finished. I certainly wouldn't finish all of it. Our washer dryer hookup is over here. Actually, might have to update you on that. All right, so we'll head outside. First, I'll show you the garage. Nice sized garage, can fit 2 small cars. Again, great floor plan. You go right from the garage into the kitchen. So I'm updating you on the laundry. That's what I thought. It is actually right here, which is much better than the basement. So main floor laundry, and then I'll take you out back to the backyard. Nice level lot. This is about 50 feet. Lots of room to play. I know my son loves playing soccer and catch, and this would be a perfect yard for him. Screened in 3-season room. Could turn into a 4-season. Electric out here. Not sure if you can see in the video, but it is all screened in. All right, well, I'm gonna lock up and we'll chat and discuss. But that is 2 Woods Mill Road.